Hey Supercross Monocross guys, just gonna tell you here, Supercross a way of life here, yeah, I guess I'm gonna be looking at dirt bikes, and then, probably Kawasaki. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at Kawasaki from 2018, and then maybe some dirt bikes from 2019, but I'm gonna be looking at, yeah, mostly, but dirt bikes from 2018 for Kawasaki, but I guess it doesn't matter, what year I'm gonna be looking at here, I'm gonna be looking at Kawasaki from 2018, so, and then I'm gonna be looking at 2018 Kawasaki dirt bikes and dirt bike parts, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here, I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here tonight, that's pretty much it, I'm gonna be looking up dirt bikes here, so, yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, alright? Alright, see ya.